A blessed morning to all of you guys. How are you today? Today is Thursday, May 28, 2026. In today's gospel, there is a one man whose name is Bartimaeus, son of Timaeus. When he noticed the presence of Jesus in his place, he started to shout, "Jesus, son of David, have pity on me." And people tried to stop this man, but the more they stop, the more he uh, raised his voice, "Jesus, son of David, have pity on me." And Jesus asked them to let this person come to him. And when this person was already in front of Jesus, Jesus said, "What do you want me to do for you?" And this person said, "I want to see." My dear brothers and sisters, how many all of us are able to see with our eyes? We can see things, what is happening around, but regarding the problems of today's time, are we really seeing? Are we really using our eyes to see the reality, especially the cry of the poor, those people who are suffering because of injustices? Are we able to see the the opportunity that are given to us in order to serve people, to use our possession in order to see people, or we allow the system to blind us? And because of this blindness that we have, we are compromising the the things that we need to do in order to respond to the needs of our situation that we are facing in our time. So again, a blessed day to all of you, and may the Lord may bless you, and may the grace of God may help us to see really, in order to respond accordingly to what really people are crying for. So again, God bless you and God bless your family.